Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play the C sharp minor chord on the piano or the keyboard. First, locate your root note, the C sharp. Place your first finger here. Locate your next note. The note is E. Play your third finger there. Locate the last note. This note is called G sharp. Place your fifth finger there. The C sharp minor chord. Okay? Now, because the C sharp minor is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or the root note inversion because you have the root note C sharp at the bottom. To find our next inversion, move the bottom note of the chord all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called C sharp minor first inversion. To get our next inversion, again move the bottom note E all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is called C sharp minor second inversion. Now you'll notice if we do it one more time, moving the bottom note all the way to the top, like this, we will in fact be back at root inversion of the chord, just like the one we started with, only 1 octave higher. Okay? And of course you can do this backwards or downwards on the piano. This is a C sharp minor root inversion. To go down, move the top note all the way to the bottom. Move your hand. This is C sharp minor second inversion. Again, move the top note all the way to the bottom. This is C sharp minor first inversion. And one more time, the top note all the way to the bottom, like this. C sharp minor root inversion. Okay? Let's do it one more time. Root inversion. First inversion. Second inversion. And back to root inversion. Let's go down again. Root inversion. Top note down. Second inversion. Top note down. First inversion. Top note down. Root inversion again. Okay? To practice these inversions, simply do like this. Root, first, second, root, root, second, first, root. Now you can also practice these inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. There you have it, the C sharp minor chord.
So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.